Apelyido ano?
Kabilin.
Abilin. Pero bago kita mag-start, pwede magpakian ano mga dating experiences ni mo sa theater?
I'm new po at theater. But,
New.
ano po, I love watching theater and I love performing po. Since I'm a dancer and performer po, Holy Cross College. From high school, yun ang college. So, basically, performing, wala po problema. So, I want to experience a new type of performing through theater po.
Sige. Hey, can you do can we start with a singing?
I can sing po, pero...
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. We'd like to hear your voice.
Pwede po tayo lang
Yes. Oh, pero make it sure nga kung niya bugo siya.
Okay po. Okay. I was scared of dentists from the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in the dreams. Oh, they come and stop. Lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. And I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Okay? Nakaka-sustain ka pero manipisay nimo boses. Kinahanglan ma-build up pa nimo chest. Animo execution. Pero ada na hiya. Next is, did you prepare any monologue?
Rosas.
Sige. So, gusto na mo makita ang character nimo. Just a bit of introduction. Hini nga kay marmo ko tikang matahagutay nga prinsipe ano. Ang rosas pabebe ito hiya. Kung areglaro nito hiya, maugdayon nito hiya. Permit hiya bagan na yung gudian duruhan iya sangkay gudian duro ito nga prinsipe. Pero amo ito hiya pabebe ito hiya duro. Can you execute it like you're so pabebe? Yan.
Jadi po kita hapaso hagpon yung katarag.
Sige. Can you put down, memorize mo na? Ani mo la put down your cellphone kung pwede, kung memorize mo. Diri pa kay makaka-distract kasi. Sige. Ini na lang. You need to improvise. Kasi gamit ito ha stage, put down your cellphone and then you need to improvise. Kung nangalimtan nimo, make sure nga in context lagi hapon ang imo lines. Bisan nawara ka na, ang importante nga nakikita mga audience kasi ang imo characterization nga ng imo lines. Mawara ka nga ni imo lines, tas nag-drop character ka, dako ka nga failure. Okay, ready? Ready and begin.
Hapaso hagkaming kataragan, ikaw na ada. Yan na, hagkaming awan. Unta, aadi ka.
Stop. Can you please don't make it nagdideclaim, baga ka nagdideclaim. Make it as monologue talaga, meaning nag-istorya ka imo kalugaringon kay nag-uusaan ka sa planeta. What's happening now is you are still memorizing it. Baka ka nagtutula sa classroom. Yan. Don't look at us like you're looking for approval. Be your own character. Sige, stand back. Ayaw pagkinitan cellphone. Mind your own character, okay? Sige. Kay parte ini, practice na inihan iyo performance. Ready? We need to see a real character hino sa nga Rose. Siguntaan, idadlot hini nga Rosas is 5 years old. Yan. Bata hiya, bata. So you ready? And begin.
Paso, hagod yung kadaragan, ikaw na ada. Yan ang ako nag-uusahan nila. Unta, aadi ka.
Stop. Anay, Can you do it like nagpabebe talaga? Ini mo kasi ni mo dating bagahin teenager na nangingina namimiling ng uyab. No. More childish, mas childish siya. Childish. Di ba itong bata, agi, mami, sige no, God, haing ka, tagi ka dako. Mauyam, agi kaguula, I'm so tired. Don't look at your script. Ready? Go.
Apaso, hagkot, yung kadarag na, ikaw na ada. Yan ang kamingawan. Mataadi ka. Oo, kamingawan natin pagkasangkay.
Is that it? Sige, okay. Hindi ka new. Yan na. Can you, in words, can you show a genuine emotion? Para sa gibuhat ni Jeric, you need to get out, internalize, ayaw pag-ihaan duro, and give us ang pinaka magirok nga memory han imo bugos nga kinabuhi. Begin.
Apaso.
No. Begin.
Do I need to say the script?
No, just do your thing. Don't try to ask anything. Start. I said put it in words. And mahita boy yung atanan magtitinindog la kamo, nag-internalize la kamo. It's not it. You are memory recall hiya baga nabalik kita ni history and then ato nga portion gipapakita nimo haamon. Naintindihan mo? Or nalilipong ka?
Kaya hindi mo i-replay.
Replay hay mo kinabuhi. Sige, naintindihan na replay.
Kasi emotion, balance your ka.
Yes.
Replay lang.
Oh. Begin. Ayaw paghaaron approval.
Hindi ka kapag paguli. Ka, himunod ako ni Mundo, nayakan ka mo. Huwag kadayin na na. Bisan ba ako pagkakaiyo? Muli ka dayan. Pero pwede mo kita yan na. Muli natin kita ng school. Bago na lumakat, bago ka lumakat. Sige.
Sabi daw ako dahil yung movement is yan nasayaw ka o ano.
Ang akong po genrehin dance is mostly hip-hop.
Sige
Yan.
Sige daw, sige.
Can I play a...
Yes.
Para mas nice.
Oh.
Mm.